Welcome back to the channel. It's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Today I'm sharing an elegant Christmas paper pad, which is part of our October Paper Pad Club subscription. I'm absolutely in love with that rose pattern. It is so gorgeous. So we've got like presents and Christmas trees and beautiful ornaments. This paper pad comes with cutouts, so you can run it through your electric cutter, or you could take your scissors and fussy cut these images out. Look how beautiful these are. And wait till you see the card we're going to create today, how gorgeous and how simple it was to do. You can join the club or purchase this as a one-time purchase. When you join the club, you get 18% off the paper pads. You get 2 paper pads each month, every 30 days from the date you purchase. I think that's a fabulous deal for a little crafty goodness. So check out these images. They are just so gorgeous. Look at that red. I love this red. And then this pattern here with the gold, or like a mustardy yellow gold. It's just gorgeous. So we're going to create a card just using those cutouts. Check out our blog. I just posted the challenge for this month. It's a mood board challenge, and this paper pad is perfect to go with those colors that I chose for the mood board. I still have a whole nother set that I can cut out because you do get 2 of each design. Now I'm making a 5.5 by 5.5 size card. I did leave a little frame around my card base, so I chose black for my card base. I thought it would make these colors pop. So now I'm simply just taking a smaller square and cutting that in half using 2 different patterns from the paper. While I'm adding the glue, have you guys checked out the inspiration for the October box? So we did a little hop and we combined the stamp of the month and the box in this one hop. And we're going to do that next month as well. So I thought that was really fun. I hope you guys checked it out and got lots of inspiration. To break up the 2 patterns, I did a little strip with the gold glittery paper. Now it's faux glitter. It looks like real glitter, but it doesn't have the mess of real glitter. So now I'm going to add the round scallop in this pretty large sized round scallop piece here. And then I used the white paper that's in the paper pad that has the little gray snowflakes on it. So I thought this would be a great backdrop for all my images. So I'm just going to glue that down. And now I'm going to put my images together. So first I'm going to lay them out, see how I like them. And then I glue them all together, and then I add my foam tape. Now, how easy is this card coming together? So I decided to go back and forth with the gold rose or the red rose. I wasn't sure which one looked better, but now after looking at it on camera, I should have gone with the gold. I think the gold sets it off better, but I chose the red. They both look beautiful, but you know, after you look at it through the camera, you think, I should have picked the other one. That's what happened here. So I'm going to add this with foam tape and pop it up. And I just love how this is turning out. And it is such a beautiful card. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you guys make some really beautiful cards with this paper pad and post them over on the Facebook group. If you haven't joined our Facebook group, the link is in the description box. We love to see your creations, what you're making with our products. And then I just top this off with the This Calls for Confetti Sparkling All the Way sequence, and I think it just gives it a really elegant touch. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you real soon. Bye guys!